Hello, hi, my name is Crypto Nerd, and in this video I'll be going through the latest news surrounding the crypto market. Before we get started, if you can hit the like and subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. Currently sitting at 172 subscribers, hoping to hit the 1,000 mark as soon as possible. So today's been a very volatile day, probably one of the most volatile days in the history of crypto, going back to 2018, 2017 times where we've seen similar bearish conditions. Bitcoin dropped almost 20% today from around 28k last night to 20 as low as 22,600. And as you can imagine, altcoins were also being destroyed. Matic's down 16-17%, Solana's down 12-13%. Um, a lot of this is related to the Fed meeting and the increase in inflation in the US on from Friday. So it's a knock-on effect of the 8.6% inflation we saw. We have the Fed meeting tomorrow and the day after, where we expect the interest rates to go up by 50 basis points, which I don't think will be enough to cool down the markets. We might see a bounce after that, but let's see. Personally, I think they should be going for 75 basis points. If we go through the other news in crypto, we saw that Crypto.com announced that they're going to lay off around 260 employees, around 5% of their staff, due to market conditions. About 1 billion has been liquidated from the cryptocurrency market in the last 24 hours. Tesla's Bitcoin investment is down 335 million. Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy Bitcoin investment is currently down 1 billion. Obviously, these are unrealized loss because we don't know if they've sold them yet or if they have. We also saw Binance temporarily suspend Bitcoin withdrawal today because of the volatility. We saw Celsius as well suspend all transactions on their network, which was a big issue. That they said that was due to liquidity. So yeah, Nexo also said that they're prepared to buy out Celsius. The offer stands till the 20th of June. So yeah, we also saw USDC temporarily depeg the Tron reserve. So they lost their pegs. Obviously, we saw something different, similar to Do Kwon's. Also, there's been news today that Do Kwon voted on his own proposal. So you could see that he used a fake wallet of his previously to manipulate the vote, which had 20 million Luna in that wallet. So the news surrounding him gets worse and worse. So yeah, Binance US have been slammed with a lawsuit just weeks after the Terra collapse as well. So it's not a good day in crypto markets. Personally, I bought the dip on Matic. I think it's a good level to buy right now if you're a long-term investor. Same with Solana. I see Solana threatening Ethereum in a few years' time. If you go to the year low and high, it's pretty much around that level. So those are the dips I bought. Let me know your comments in the section below. Did you buy any dips? Matic's one of my favorite coins out there, as you know. So I'll continue to buy the dip if it dips even further. If you found this video useful, please hit the like and subscribe button. You'll see my previous videos around the Fed meeting, which happens tomorrow and the day after, which is obviously really key for the market to see any sort of recovery. How long do you think this bearish trend will last? So yeah, let me know your comments below, and hopefully I'll get back to you.
Based on UK.
Thanks, guys.